Hey friends, welcome to my channel Simply Me. I hope you all are doing well. Today is a nice rainy day. The trees are swaying and dancing. They look so happy and all the plants look so alive and beautiful. When I sit here and watch the rain, my mind wanders to my childhood days. It's really a nostalgic feeling and the sound of the rain has its own music and rhythm. I always take some time from work to watch the rain falling through my windows. Someone once quoted, "Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday." Due to this heavy rain, roads were blocked and some trees were uprooted. So we were without electricity the whole day. The water tank also got empty and we had to draw water from the well. It was a tough task. My children enjoyed filling the water from the well. As usual, the early visitors visits my home. Because of the heavy rain last night, there is all darkness in the room. Preparing a glass of black tea. I like to have my early morning tea sitting in the veranda and watching the birds and the nature. And this helps me to plan my rest of the day. Prepared an easy breakfast puttu, which is a popular cuisine in Kerala, so that I can save time. After the breakfast, I thought of plucking some fruits. These are small in size, but they are very tasty. So I am taking you to the backyard of my house to show you some trees over there. So let's begin with the jackfruit tree. People eat the fruit and seeds of jackfruit tree as food or as medicine. Every part of jackfruit tree is very useful. The fruit has a very sweet taste and the seed is used to make curries and for different purposes. In Malayalam, we call it as plavu and the fruit as chakka. Next is this banana plant, very popular plant grown in Kerala. Every part of the banana plant is packed with nutrition and health benefits. The humble plant with its flower, stem, fruit and leaf can be consumed in different ways for overall wellness. It's rich in B6 as well as vitamin A, C. This is a papaya plant. It's a very useful plant. We can easily propagate papaya plants. The fruit is very sweet and used in various cuisines. Papaya is high in fiber, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which prevents cholesterol. It's a very useful plant and easily grown in every home in Kerala. Next to papaya tree we have this beautiful tree known as Aviroha bilimbi. In Malayalam we call this as Irumbambuli. It's a very useful tree. The saw bilimbi is used to make pickle. Its taste is acid and it is also used in cuisines and nowadays used to make jams also. It's also rich in iron. Every house in Kerala have this tree grown and this tree is very useful. This is a bay leaf tree. In Malayalam we call it as Vinela. We have two trees here. It's one of the most useful trees. Its leaf is used in biryanis and it's also good for our health. It gives distinctive flavor and fragrance, and when dried and kept in rice containers, it keeps the insects away. This is a guava tree. I had already introduced this tree in my previous video. This tree was planted by me. Now this tree has grown very big and one of my favorite too. This is a moringa tree, and in Malayalam we call it as muringakaya tree. It has grown so tall we couldn't reach it, but surprisingly it has grown over our terrace and we can easily pluck it. Guys, these were the few selected trees I have introduced to you. I hope you will all like it. That's all for today. If you really like my channel, do like and subscribe so that you are connected with me. Till then, be positive, be safe and be happy.